10 emerging technologies that are changing our world forever, but not in ways you might expect. Let's dive into the future together. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Imagine a machine with the ability to understand, learn, and solve any problem, just like a human. This is Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, AGI can handle a wide range of cognitive tasks and adapt autonomously. Leading organizations like OpenAI and Google DeepMind are making significant strides in AGI research. They're expanding deep learning models to handle more complex tasks beyond pattern recognition and data processing. One fascinating approach is reinforcement learning, where AI systems learn by trial and error, receiving rewards for successful outcomes. This could be a pathway to developing more general problem-solving capabilities in AI. Looking ahead, AGI could revolutionize everything from scientific research to creative arts. Imagine AGI personal assistants that understand and respond to a wide range of human needs, or AGI in industry automating complex tasks for efficiency gains. Generative AI. The intelligence focused on creating new content. Recent advancements have been remarkable, especially in natural language processing. Models like those from OpenAI can generate human-like text, enabling applications from writing assistants to entire articles. In the realm of images, AI systems like Midjourney create realistic images from textual descriptions. The same goes for video generation, which is advancing rapidly. Imagine AI writing sophisticated novels or collaborating with human authors. Generative AI could revolutionize education with customized learning materials or entertainment with personalized gaming experiences and virtual reality worlds. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology manipulates matter at the atomic or molecular scale, opening up myriad possibilities. In medicine, researchers are developing nanoscale drug delivery systems targeting specific cells, improving treatment efficacy and minimizing side effects. Another breakthrough is graphene, a nanomaterial known for its strength, flexibility, and conductivity. It's being applied in electronics, energy storage, and even water filtration. In the future, we might see nanobots for diagnostics and therapy, advanced methods for water purification, and more efficient energy storage solutions. Nanotechnology could revolutionize electronics, leading to smaller, faster, and more efficient devices. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling them to collect and exchange data. This connectivity is transforming homes, cities, and industries. In smart cities, IoT devices monitor and improve traffic flow, energy usage, and waste management. Big data and AI analyze vast amounts of information, optimizing city functions and improving quality of life. Future developments could see IoT integrated with autonomous vehicles, drones for delivery services, and even environmental sustainability efforts, reducing carbon footprints and enhancing urban living. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles represent a significant technological advancement. Using sensors, cameras, radar, and AI, these vehicles navigate without human input, making real-time decisions. Modern self-driving cars are equipped with high-resolution cameras, LiDAR, and sophisticated AI. They communicate with smart city infrastructure to enhance safety and traffic flow. In the future, autonomous vehicles could reduce the need for personal car ownership, revolutionize logistics and delivery, and contribute to more sustainable urban planning with reduced congestion and emissions. Space tourism. Space tourism, once a concept of science fiction, is becoming a reality thanks to private aerospace companies. Blue Origin and others are offering suborbital flights, allowing civilians to experience weightlessness and view Earth from space. Passengers experience several minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views of Earth before descending back. Future developments could include orbital flights, space hotels, and even lunar tourism. Imagine staying in an orbital habitat, experiencing spacewalks, zero-gravity sports, and unparalleled views of Earth and the cosmos. Space tourism could be a significant milestone in human exploration. 3D printing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing how we design and produce objects. By layering materials based on digital models, it allows for complex geometries that traditional methods can't achieve. Recent advancements include printable biomaterials for medical applications, such as printing organs and tissues, and increased printing speed and size for larger objects like automotive parts and buildings. In the future, 3D printing could become standard in healthcare, manufacturing, and even space exploration, enabling on-demand production of tools and components during missions. Lab-grown meat. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, offers a sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional livestock farming. It's cultivated from animal cells in a controlled environment, eliminating the need for slaughter. Recent breakthroughs have reduced production costs and expanded the variety of lab-grown meat products. Future developments could make cultured meat more accessible and affordable, potentially replacing a significant portion of traditional meat. Lab-grown meat could lead to culinary innovations, with customized taste, texture, and nutritional content. It's a promising solution for feeding a growing global population sustainably. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries offer a promising alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Using a solid electrolyte, they eliminate the risks of leakage and flammability associated with liquid electrolytes. These batteries have higher energy density, allowing for longer driving ranges and battery life, and can charge much faster. They could accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles and improve renewable energy storage systems. Solid-state batteries could lead to new possibilities in consumer electronics, medical devices, and aerospace applications, where compact, high-capacity, and safe power sources are essential. Starlink satellites and internet. Starlink, a satellite internet constellation by SpaceX, aims to provide high-speed internet access globally, especially in remote and underserved areas. Its low Earth orbit satellites reduce latency and increase data transmission speeds. The Starlink kit includes a small satellite dish and a Wi-Fi router, connecting users to the network. Future developments could expand coverage, improve data speeds, and integrate with other SpaceX ventures like Mars colonization. As technology matures, satellite internet could become mainstream, offering a reliable and high-speed alternative to traditional broadband services, bridging the digital divide. These emerging technologies are reshaping our world in ways we never imagined. From AGI and generative AI too. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button for more related video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.